Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIAS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take ICT class for class 7. Our today's topic is chapter 1 question answer out of 2. Previously we read question answers of chapter 1 and today we are going to revise all 4 question answers. So the first question was, what is global positioning system? How does it work? Let's revise the answer. Global Positioning System or GPS is a technology used to locate any place on Earth. Even if we do not know the road links to a place, we can reach our destination using a GPS device. GPS is a satellite-based technology. By analyzing the signals transmitted through the satellites moving around the Earth, one can easily locate where one is. If a map is inserted in it, one can go anywhere one likes. All the new vehicles have GPS devices that show the driver the way they can choose to go. We have done this question answer before, as you have read it and done its homework as well. So let's move at the next question. Question number 2, it was, paperless office is environment friendly. Explain. You have to explain this statement given in your textbook. Let's look at the answer. In a paperless office, all documents and writings are stored in and exchanged through a computer network. As paper is made from trees, not using paper saves trees. Besides, toners and ink are used in printers which pollute the environment with chemical substance. This pollution doesn't happen when an office is paperless and the environment remains unharmed. So paperless office is environment friendly. Dear students, you have done this homework as your homework, done this question as your homework as well. But you don't have to follow these answers exactly. You can change them if you want. I have told you before. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Describe the advantages of industrial robots. Industrial robots can help do industrial works. So let's look at the answer. Industrial robots are used to do risky jobs. They have no problem performing monotonous or dangerous works. They do not complain or get tired. People can now avoid dangerous and laborious works and get it done by robots. Robots can do heavy tasks easily and seamlessly. People only need to monitor it and less manpower is needed. Use of automated and programmable robots increases productivity and benefits the industry financially as well. So this was the advantage of industrial robots in the workplace. Let's look at the next question. What are the uses of social networking platforms? Let's look at the answer. There are many websites now which work as social network platforms. These platforms are used not only for maintaining social communication but also for many other activities. People often exchange information, photos and videos in these platforms. It can also be used for organizing events or sending out invitations. Advertisements of commodities and circulation of jobs can be found in these websites as well. Social networking has also played important roles in mass movements like the social revolution in the Arab world. So you can see that the social networking platforms play various roles and you can get many works done by them. Okay, dear students, this was on chapter 1 today. Please study more at home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.